If you wanted to learn how to add viral auto captions to YouTube Shorts in Capcut, then this video is right for you. Open Capcut mobile apps on your phone. Click on New Project. Then select the video you wanted to use.
Learn how to add.
Click Add. I have this video that I wanted to use for the auto caption. The first thing here I'm going to do is to press this arrow button here. Then I'm going to click on text. I'm going to click on auto captions. Make sure this section is turned on. Identify invalid clips. Then click start. Now the auto caption has been generated. All you need to do is to double click on it. Then click on font. I'm going to change the font to elegant. Then once I select it, then I will come to style. Then I'm going to increase the font size to 25. After that, I'm going to click on stroke. Then I'm going to give it a black stroke. So I'm going to select black. So you can also adjust the thickness if you like. I'm going to leave it at 30. 30 is okay for me. So I'm going to click on done. After that, I'm going to come to bash edit. As you can see, everything is looking too big and it is wordy, so it will not be readable. So let's come to bash edit. Once you click on bash edit, then you can start splitting it to readable chunks. Now you can leave maximum of 3 words per line or 2. It all depends on you. Just make everything look nice to your own taste. So here I'm going to change this one. I'm going to break it into 3. In order to break it, I'm going to press the return button on my phone. That is, I'm going to press this button, then it's going to move to the next line. Then here also I'm going to press it. It's going to move to the next line. So that's how you are going to break everything until you are done. I'm done breaking everything. Then click on this check mark icon. Then let's replay it to see how it's looking currently.
If you wanted to learn how to add viral auto captions to YouTube Shorts in Capcut, then this video is right for you.
So we are not done yet. So the next thing is to animate it. Press the auto caption that you have generated. Then double click on it. Come to animation. Then I'm going to give it this animation that will make the text color change while it is reading on the screen. So this is the one that I wanted to give it karaoke. Click on karaoke. As you can see, it is changing. Then click on this check mark icon. Now let's replay to see how it is looking currently. Can you see how everything is changing?
Capcut, then this video is right for you.
Before we move on, please, if you are enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that each time I upload a new video like this, you'll be the first person to be updated. Let's continue. Now we need to add some graphic elements. Also we have to add some sound to it to make everything look nice. So the next thing we are going to do right now is to start adding some graphic elements to some important place in this video. For instance, now this place that is saying how to add then viral. So under this viral, I'm going to add something like viral representation of graphic representation to it. Now let's see how to get it done. So I'm going to press this back button. I'm going to press it again. Then I'm going to click on overlay, then click on add overlay. Once you click on add overlay, I wanted to add this green screen viral representation to it. Click on add. So we are now going to remove the background. I made this on Canva. So now click on it, then click on cutout, then select chroma key, drag it to the green side, then click on intensity, increase the intensity to as much as you can until the background has been removed. Then press the check mark button. As you can see, it has been added. If I play it again right now, you are going to see it's going to appear. Can you see how it is now appearing in the video? So I'm going to adjust it and bring it down a bit. Can you see how it is looking currently? So now let's move on. So viral. So this is where viral ends. Viral auto captions. Viral auto captions. This is where the auto caption ends. So I'm going to reduce it because it is exceeding the current position. So I'm going to reduce it. Auto caption. So right about here, I'm going to leave it. After that, under this YouTube as well, YouTube Shorts, then I'm going to add overlay again. Then come to photo, then click on this YouTube logo. So click on it, click on the overlay, then come to this section, click on cutout, select chroma key, then drag it to this green section. Click on intensity, adjust the intensity until you are satisfied with it. Then press the check mark button, then reduce the size and bring it down a bit. Now we are done with this. So let's see how it's looking right now. YouTube Shorts. So I'm going to reduce it. So it's going to end around this section. Can you see how it is looking currently? Then remain the Capcut logo to be added. Credit to freelogopng.com. This is where I downloaded the Capcut logo. So you can also try it for free or check the link in the description below to get it downloaded. Click on overlay, come to photo, then this is the Capcut logo. I'm going to click on add. Can you see it has been added? So I'm going to reduce the size, then I'm going to bring it down a bit, then I'm going to reduce it so that it's going to end around here. Can you see? So now the next thing is to animate it. So let's play it back to see how it's looking right now.
Viral auto captions to YouTube Shorts in Capcut, then this video is.
So this one should be bring to the upper section because it is currently down. So I'm going to bring it up. Yes, I think it's looking good currently. So the next thing is to add animations to it. So I'm going to click on this first one, then I'm going to press animation. I'm going to give it in animation, that is slide up. That's my favorite animation. Click on slide up, then the animation will be applied. Then move to YouTube as well, come to animation, click on slide up animation. Can you see? Then come to Capcut, then press animation, then give it slide up animation as well. I done animating everything. Let's see how it's looking currently.
How to add viral auto captions to YouTube Shorts in Capcut, then
can you see how everything is sliding up? Then I'm going to add sound effects to it right about the place where it is about to slide up. So now to add the sound effects, press this back arrow, then click on audio, then click on sounds. So to avoid copyright issue, I have decided to download this free sound at pixabay.com. Credit to pixabay.com. You can check it out if you wanted to download your free sound. So now I'm going to import it from my phone. Just press this folder, then select from device. Then this is the pop sound that I downloaded. Click on the plus icon to add it. Now it has been added. So can you see?
To add viral auto captions.
So the volume is currently low. So let's increase the volume of the sound. So I'm going to increase the volume. Let's play it back so that you can hear the sound.
Viral auto captions.
Can you see? Maybe I should not. How to add viral auto captions to. Now it is looking nice currently. Then I'm going to press the sound, then come to this section and copy it. Once you copy it, I'll be able to apply the same sound and the same volume to everything. So now after this auto captions, viral auto captions, then let's move on. We are going to add it to this section as well under YouTube, right about this place where the YouTube is about to pop up. So then let me play it. Now it's looking good. I'm going to also copy it and put it around the section where the Capcut logo is about to pop up. Press copy, then look for around this section, then reduce it a bit. Let's see if everything aligns up properly.
Learn how to add viral auto captions to YouTube Shorts in Capcut. Then this video is right for you.
Then everything is looking perfect right now. I hope you really enjoyed this video. This is how you can create viral auto captions in Capcut for your YouTube videos. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that each time I upload a new video like this, you will be the first person to be updated. Thank you for watching. See you all in my next video.